Hi everyone, I'm LOVELYN Dullya from G8 Masikap. So now we will talk about multiplication and division of fraction. So what is fraction? A fraction is simplified tell us how many parts of a whole we have. You can recognize a fraction by the slash that is written between the two numbers. We have a top number which is the numerator and the bottom number which is the denominator. Now that you already know what is a fraction, I will teach you how to multiply and divide the fraction using line model. Line model is a line used to multiply and divide a fraction. Example, 1/5 multiplied by 2/3. We will represent the first fraction by vertical line. The numerator, which is 1, will draw one vertical line, and for the denominator, 5 vertical lines. For the second fraction, we will represent them by horizontal line. Numerator, which is 2, will draw 2 horizontal lines and 3 lines for denominator. To get the answer for the numerator, we will count the intersecting line from the upper left. So we have 1, 2. To get the denominator, we will also count the intersecting line from the bottom right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we get 2/15. Another example, what is 1/4 of 1/2? Again, in the first fraction, we need to represent it by vertical. The second fraction, we need to represent it by horizontal line. For the numerator, in the first fraction, we have 1, and in the denominator, we have 1, 2. For the second fraction, we have numerator 1, and the denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, to get the answer, we will count the intersecting line of the upper. Again, to get the answer to the numerator, we will count intersecting line from the upper left. So we have 1. The denominator, we need to count the line from the bottom of right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get the answer 1/8. We're done in multiplication of fraction. So we proceed to division of fraction. Division of fraction and multiplication are opposite because to get the answer in numerator, in multiplication, we will count the numerator in the upper left, while the division, we will count the intersecting line in the bottom left. Example, 1/5 divided by 2/3. To get the answer to the numerator, we will count intersecting line from the bottom left. From the denominator, we will count the intersecting line from the upper right. So, in the numerator, we have 1, and the denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the second fraction, we have numerator 1, 2, and in the denominator, we have 1, 2, 3. So, we will count the numerator in the bottom left. So, we have 1, 2, 3. To get the denominator, we will count the upper right. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we get 3/10. Another example, 1/2 divided by 1/4, that is equals to 4/2. So we need to get the answer. So for the numerator, we have 1. In the denominator, we have 1, 2. For the second fraction, we have numerator 1, and the denominator has 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will count again the intersecting line bottom left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. To get the denominator, we will count the upper right. So we have 1, 2. So we get the answer 4/2 or 2 because we divide 4 by 2. Another way to solve division of fraction, we solve algebraically. Example, 3/5 divided by 2/7. We will answer this by using KCF. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. We will keep the first fraction and then we will change the operation and flip the second fraction so that we will get the final answer. So I hope that you learned from my discuss. Thank you.